Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos plus so much more. And today's video is another episode in my creating a bullet journal series. Today's episode in particular is going to be all about creating sections so that you can stay organized within this system. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Unfamiliar with this series, I am using an A5 Stalogy. You can find it on Amazon. I'll have my planner favorites and my Amazon storefront linked in the description box for your convenience, along with anything else I feature in this video and other related videos. So, love the A5 Stalogy. I've used the B6 before, but it's something about having more space in the A5 that I'm loving. I'm also loving this black cover. It's just, I'm in planner heaven right now because I'm in a groove and I'm really enjoying using this. So a bullet journal that has sections kind of already created is the Hobonichi cousin. You have the monthly, you have the weekly, and then you have the daily pages. I feel like the Hobonichi cousin is a pretty pricey planner. And it is also dated, unlike this, which is more like a notebook style and you do your own thing. But if you guys are interested in seeing a full flip through of that, I do have a Hobonichi cousin review. But that already has like preset sections for you. So what do you do when you have a notebook that doesn't have sections? Well, you can go and count the pages and say, I want this much for my monthly, this much for my weekly, or you can just create sections as you go, which is what I do in my bullet journal. So sections that I start with, which are pretty obvious, are the monthlies. So I have November 2022 in here, December, and January. So these tabs I actually got from Amazon. So that is just how I section that off. So here's what November looks like. Cute, right? And then here's December. And then here is January. I don't know what else I'm going to put here on my January, but this is how it looks for now. So the monthly tabs, that's like a given, pretty obvious section in my planner system. The next one that I decided to go ahead and do is to use vellum to create different types of dividers in my planner. So here I used vellum to section between my 2022 and my 2023. This vellum is from Isis Ella Jewels, and I pretty much just cut it in half and I put one piece here. And then when you go to January, here is the other piece. Now, the cool thing about vellum is that it is very thin. I wouldn't say that it's very thin. It's thin yet durable. It's not your average scrapbook paper. I really like the texture of vellum. You can add stickers. I added a pocket here with stickers, and I could add on the back if I so choose. Maybe, maybe not, just because I have a lot going on here. And then coming to the 2023 section, this is actually packaging that I recycled and put on this piece of vellum, a 2023 sticker. And then on the back, I put a pocket. If I want to take this out, I can and put stickers inside. But I really like how that looks with this dashboard that I also recycled from packaging, because here's the back of it. We're very resourceful around these parts. So that just goes here, and I just like the way that the stars look, the mix of the gold and the silver. I just really like it. I like it a lot. So I use vellum for that, for creating different sections in that way. Another thing that I did was I created an entire content section. So here it is. This is vinyl. I used a I used a pen to just like one of those jelly roll pens to write content on it. This is just temporary. I'm not gonna leave it like this. I do not like it whatsoever, but I did label it content. And then I used a scalloped edge from the Planner Society to be able to flip to it quicker. So I use those scalloped edges on my content section, on my goal setting page for the year. As you can see, what's also here, a piece of vellum. And then I have another one earlier back in December, which were my fitness goals for December, which carry into the new year. Didn't feel the need to write it over, so I just have it there, and anything I update, I can just put it on another page. So anything that I want to be able to flip to quickly, I'm going to be using one of these. So it's very easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and show you. I'm going to be using pink for my reading list. Isn't this so cute that I put the actual books? That's cute, right? I thought it was cute. So to create the section, I'm just going to take the scalloped edge and literally put it on the edge. Okay? It's nothing revolutionary about this. I just need to move it down. So these will cover an entire A5 edge, if you're wondering. So if you do have the Hobonichi Cousin, these would be great for that. And Planner Society, when I got these, were having a massive sale. I think things were like up to 90% off, and I just went a little buku crazy, to say the least. All right, so you can put them on the edge of your paper, or if you want, you can go ahead and just put them in your planner to mark off chunks of time if you have like a monthly or whatever. So then I just go back in and literally just overlap it so that it's not sticky. And you guys are getting a real close glimpse into one of my weekly spreads. I don't think I have anything crazy on here though, so it's alright. Y'all can look at it. Y'all can look at it. And then there we have it, super easy. So it adds a little bit more to the side, and that might not be your thing in doing the scalloped edges. This is actually my first time using them, but I'm really liking them to just be able to like flip to the page rather quickly. And it's like, I know if I have one of these pages annotated, it's because I want to reference it more than once and not have to fumble through the planner. So I am a plan as you go type of gal, and this type of section making just happens to work for me. If you want something more preset, then of course you can count the pages, you know, or just divide half of the book for like, I'm going to do planning in this one and then notes in the other. Or if you're looking for something more structured, again, check out the Hobonichi Cousin, which is the same size as the A5, but it definitely has more structure as it is a dated planner. But I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. Do you have sections in your planner? Do you use a vertical layout, horizontal layout? Let's chat. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to all the products I featured, as well as related videos. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and be sure to give this video a like so I can know that you want to see more content. I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you. Stay safe. Bye, guys.